This is a walkthrough for our simple rhythm transcription project. In this project, you're going to transcribe a simple 4-measure rhythm in either beat map or standard notation. So let's look at the project page. On the project page, the top, you're going to have a video that shows you how to read beat map notation. So beat map notation is an alternate form to standard notation where you have the different subdivision level written on top, and then you have like blanks here where events can take place. So watch that video. It's going to help you understand this notation. It takes away one extra layer of abstraction when you're going to transcribe a rhythm to see everything perfectly labeled out for you about where the different subdivision levels are, and then where the attack, sustains, releases, and rests are in a rhythm. So once you feel comfortable with that, then watch this video on how to transcribe rhythms. It gives you a really thorough breakdown of the different steps that go into transcribing a rhythm, from feeling the beat or the pulse to identifying the subdivision level, and then actually figuring out the different rhythm where the attack, sustains, releases, and rests are. Once you feel comfortable with that, then you're ready to move on to the actual transcription. So they are in either beat map form or they're in standard notation. So let's watch one in beat map. We'll just do just that first measure. So I was able to hear that the first note started on the and of 1. Now, if I wanted to do this in beat map form, you would just either print this out or bring this into a PDF notator, and then you would draw an X on the and of 1. That was where that first attack is. Draw an X and the space for each attack. Now, if you wanted to do this in standard notation, you click Open Up in NoteFlight. The first step that you need to do is you need to copy this score to your own NoteFlight account. So you're going to click on the hamburger up there and then click on Save a Copy. And what that's going to do is it's going to save a copy of this that you can edit to your own account. So you can't edit our scores, because then if you write the correct transcription in there, nobody else is going to be able to learn. So I've copied it here, and now we have the same thing. I can highlight the beginning and I can press play. And I heard that first note was on the and. So I'm going to just highlight that one note, and then I'm going to press the letter B on my keyboard. This B is for the note that's right in the middle of here. If I press B, it turns that into a note. So you're going to just continue to do that until you have the rest of the rhythm finished. Now, if you want to do an extension, if you have NoteFlight Learn at your school, you can record yourself performing the rhythm on top of the score, and then you can turn that in.